Welcome back. Well, a beauty out there today. They don't get much better in April or May for that matter. Started out at 60 degrees this morning. No records being set, though. We can still get into the 40s, 50s this time of year, but I do not see that happening anytime soon. 87 the afternoon high, which is about 5 degrees above normal. And get ready for more 80s, and we have some 90s in the 10-day. Let's take a look at the rainfall. Get it over to the key wall as well. Not much in the bucket today, but after 2 inches yesterday officially out at the airport, most of us saw about 3 in much of Lafayette. We finished off the month close to normal. No records being set, but notice for the year we're ahead of the game, and the soil moisture is good, and we don't have to talk about any drought. And we do have more storms on the horizon. Now, looking back, we're closing out the month of April. Here are the daytime highs. You can see most of the month we were above normal with respect to the daytime highs. Overnight lows, a little bit more of a mixed bag. We had some cool nights in there in the 40s, but also nights in the 70s as well. And here a couple of grays. That's what those are the normals. So normal this time of year, right around 63 degrees. And rainfall, we had 2 big rains. One, the severe weather event we had that early Wednesday on the 10th, and then the soaking we got yesterday morning. So that helped us out overall. Even though we didn't have many days with precip, we got enough and what the ground needed for sure. High pressure in charge, and that's going to stay that way for another day. We have this low pressure here, this disturbance. That's going to be probably our Thursday weather system. Meanwhile, in between, severe storms once again erupting during the course of this afternoon. Not as widespread as the last several days, but nonetheless, the threat of severe weather from Illinois down through Oklahoma, where we still have severe thunderstorm watches going, and then a couple of warnings going here just by the Red River area, and the threat of maybe a few more storms in Texas. Farther south and east, you see all the flood warnings for all the heavy rainfall in eastern Texas and western Louisiana, including the Sabine River and the Calcasieu. Meanwhile, locally, the rest of us doing just fine with fair skies this evening. Some fog and low clouds develop through daybreak tomorrow, and then tomorrow afternoon we'll be back into the upper 80s. Models kind of shying away from any rain chance, so we'll keep rain chance. We'll lower it down to 10% tomorrow. And then comes one of those disturbances. Now, the HER model has been on this. So this is the latest model run showing showers and storms rolling through the area, but they'll also be weakening. So for now, I just raised the rain chance to 50% on Thursday, and we'll have another weather system, we think, on Friday as well, which will do much the same. Upper 60s across the board overnight tonight, lower 60s off to the north, and then tomorrow we'll see our temperatures warming into the upper 80s, and notice that heat index in the lower 90s, so summer not too far away. Look for patchy fog overnight tonight and or low clouds. The way it's moving, it's going to be more of a low cloud thing, but we'll factor in some fog into that early morning forecast, so factor that in. 67 the overnight low with that fog developing well after midnight and more than likely closer to daybreak tomorrow. And then tomorrow, the model picking up on the fog and the low clouds, but we go mostly sunny, or at least a sun and cloud mix. 88 the projected high. If we hit 88, that'll be the warmest temperature so far this year, and that's how we're kicking off May. Scattered storms Thursday, Friday don't look to be washouts, and then it looks good for the Crawfish Festival this weekend, and then transitioning to near 90-degree temperatures and high summer humidity as we head into the latter part of next week. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more later on in the show.